Hey everyone, my name is Jessica. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of altcoins. These alternative cryptocurrencies have gained immense popularity, offering unique features and functionalities. Altcoins, short for alternative coins, are cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin. These digital currencies aim to provide unique features or improvements over Bitcoin's functionality. Altcoins have diverse use cases, ranging from facilitating smart contracts to enhancing transaction speed or focusing on privacy. Investors often explore altcoins for potential opportunities and innovation within the broader cryptocurrency market. Now let's explore some of the most famous altcoins making waves in the crypto space. First up, we have Ethereum, often hailed as the king of altcoins. Ethereum is not just a digital currency, it's a decentralized platform enabling the creation of smart contracts and decentralized applications. This versatility has made it a powerhouse in the crypto world. Ethereum's native currency, Ether, plays a pivotal role in facilitating transactions and running applications on the platform. Now, let's talk about Binance Coin. Created by the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance BNB initially served as a utility token for reduced trading fees on the platform. However, its use has expanded, and it's now utilized for various purposes, including participating in token sales on the Binance Launchpad. BNB has shown remarkable growth and utility, making it a key player in the altcoin space. Next on our list is Cardano. Known for its commitment to security and scalability, Cardano aims to provide a more secure and sustainable blockchain. Developed by a team of academics and engineers, Cardano focuses on a research-driven approach to achieve its goals. ADA, the native cryptocurrency, is used for staking and participating in the network's governance. Now, let's shift our attention to Ripple. Ripple stands out for its mission to revolutionize cross-border payments. Unlike many other cryptocurrencies, Ripple is not mined. Instead, the XRP supply is pre-mined. This digital payment protocol aims to facilitate fast and cost-effective international transactions, making it a favorite in the financial sector. And there you have it, a quick tour of some of the most famous altcoins in the crypto space. Remember, the world of cryptocurrencies is dynamic, and new projects are emerging all the time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the exciting world of crypto. Until next time, happy investing and stay crypto curious.